Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing something really exciting, the Oculus 3, and I can't wait to compare it to my trusty Oculus 2, which I've been using for a while now. Both of these headsets are the 128GB models, so it'll be interesting to see what improvements Oculus has made this time around. This is always one of my favorite parts. It's so satisfying. Gently peeling away the plastic from the lenses and body of the headset, everything looks so clean and pristine underneath. You can really see the smooth finish and attention to detail in the design. It's like unwrapping a brand new experience, and I'm even more excited to try it out now. I'm going to replace the standard head strap. Just like with my Oculus 2, I found that these straps and the head adjustment weren't really comfortable for me. That's why I picked up a similar strap with silicone padding, which I've used on my Oculus 2 and loved. This should make a huge difference in comfort, especially for longer sessions. I've also got little suitcase-style case to keep everything secure and ready to travel. Now, I'm securely fastening the new head strap. One of the major benefits of this strap is that it comes with a built-in power bank. While it's not huge in capacity, it's perfect for giving your headset a quick charge without interrupting your gaming session. This feature really sets it apart from the standard strap and makes it a much more practical choice for extended use. So if you've never had a VR headset before, I highly recommend getting one. It's not just about gaming. VR is a whole new way to experience technology and even personal development. However, if you already own the Oculus 2, I wouldn't rush to buy the Oculus 3. I was expecting more significant upgrades, but both headsets have the same 120 Hz screen refresh rate, and the games perform pretty much the same. The only real difference is that you can record your gameplay with smoother motion on the Oculus 3, but that's mainly useful if you're into recording your sessions. That's my take after using the headset for about 3 months. Now, I'm fitting the silicone covers onto the controllers. I've used these types of covers before, and they really make a difference. The silicone adds a much better grip, especially if your hands get a bit sweaty during longer gaming sessions. It also helps protect the controllers from any bumps or accidental drops. Another great feature of these covers is the straps that come with them. You can secure them around your wrists, ensuring that the controllers won't go flying if you get too into the game. It's a simple but effective upgrade, and it gives me peace of mind knowing that I won't have to worry about accidentally losing my grip. For anyone who plays active or fast-paced VR games, I highly recommend using something like this. So, to wrap things up, after setting everything up and adding the extras like the new head strap and silicone covers, I'm really looking forward to using the Oculus 3. The extra comfort and security are definitely worth it if you're planning to spend a lot of time in VR. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the setup or my experience, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.